What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how ChatGPT can help you building your website. Now, one thing to note at first that ChatGPT is not a website builder, meaning it doesn't have the functionality to build a whole website from scratch. For this, you can go and use a website builder such as Squarespace, Wix, Google Websites, and stuff like that. And you need to have a designing tool to design your user interface such as Figma, Adobe XD, and stuff, and other like platforms, as well as a hosting service, a domain name, and other stuff. However, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for your content. Let's say you are having or running a fitness website. You can tell ChatGPT to generate 10 post ideas on trending fitness topics, and ChatGPT will generate the topics for you. Now, another usage of ChatGPT is that while you cannot use it to build or design the website, you can use it to generate code to design certain snippets or certain parts of your website. So let's say, for example, generate, and you need to specify the language, the HTML code to design cart page for my online store. Okay. So ChatGPT can generate the code here, and you can go ahead and copy the code, paste it into the HTML code embed into your website or into your website builder, and that way you would have a code generated for your site. Of course, you can in the website builder edit the code or edit the page even further. As you can see here, it's still generating code. It's rather long and complex code that would take a long time for you if you would create it, or if you would type it or code it for yourself.